Let's rock and roll, unpacking an energizing English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and spirited English phrase that you've probably heard in movies, songs, or casual conversations. Let's rock and roll. This expression is more than just about music. It's a vibrant part of the English language that packs energy, enthusiasm, and a call to action. So, if you're ready to learn all about this dynamic phrase, let's rock and roll with our explanation. The phrase, "let's rock and roll," has its roots deeply embedded in the music scene. Originally, rock and roll referred to a style of music that emerged in the United States in the late 1940s and early 1950s. This genre was known for its lively beats, catchy rhythms, and the ability to get people up and dancing. However, the expression quickly evolved beyond the musical context to convey a sense of starting an activity with great enthusiasm and energy. Today, "let's rock and roll" is used as a colloquial way to say, "let's get started," or "let's do this," with an added layer of excitement and readiness. It's a rallying cry to motivate people before beginning an activity, whether it's starting a work project, embarking on an adventure, or simply getting ready to leave the house. The phrase encapsulates a spirit of eagerness and determination, encouraging everyone involved to dive into the task at hand with gusto. To help you understand how to use this phrase in everyday conversations, here are a few examples. Before a game or sports activity, "All right, team, we've trained hard for this moment." "Let's rock and roll." At work, before starting a big project, "We've got all our plans in place, so let's rock and roll and make this project a success." When leaving the house with friends for an outing, "Everyone's here? Great, let's rock and roll." These examples show that "let's rock and roll" is versatile, fitting a variety of scenarios where enthusiasm and a positive start are desired. "Let's rock and roll" is more than just a phrase. It's an expression of energy, enthusiasm, and readiness to tackle whatever lies ahead. Its origins in the music world have given it a lively and spirited connotation that has been embraced in everyday English. We hope this video has shed light on this dynamic expression and that you feel confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the feelings and actions they inspire. So, the next time you're gearing up for something exciting, don't forget to say, "Let's rock and roll." Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing your English, and let's rock and roll on your language learning journey.